Welcome back to our exploration of the future of AI. In this second part, we'll dive into how AI will evolve in healthcare over the short, medium, and long term, and how it will transform the roles of medical practitioners. In the short term, from now to the next 5 years, AI will play a supporting role in medicine, from assisting with diagnostics in radiology and dermatology to automating routine tasks like patient triage and administrative work. AI is already making waves.
To look at how artificial intelligence is shaping the medical industry. Nearly 80% of U.S. healthcare organizations are already using AI, according to a recent report.
The AI can then zoom in on an MRI scan to highlight a probability map for doctors to investigate further.
But one giant benefit could be changes in medical care. AI has been called medicine's biggest moment since antibiotics, with the potential for diagnosing rare illnesses, developing new treatment options, and exciting new drug discoveries. Brooke Silva Braga put the endless possibilities under the microscope.
This will allow doctors to focus more on complex cases and patient interactions, making healthcare more efficient without replacing practitioners. Looking ahead to the medium term, 5 to 15 years from now, AI's capabilities will expand across specialties like cardiology, neurology, and pathology. Imagine robotic surgical systems performing routine procedures with minimal human intervention. In the long term, 15 to 30 years, AI could achieve superhuman accuracy in diagnostics and treatment planning. Autonomous robotic systems may even perform complex surgeries with little or no human supervision. AI-driven preventive medicine could shift the focus from reactive treatment to proactive care, dramatically improving health outcomes. But does this mean AI will replace doctors entirely? The answer is no. Medicine is as much about trust, empathy, and human connection as it is about technology. AI cannot replicate the emotional understanding or nuanced care that human practitioners provide. Ethical, legal, and regulatory challenges will also limit its full autonomy. By 2035 to 2050, routine tasks may be highly automated, but the role of human doctors will evolve. Practitioners will focus on oversight, complex cases, and ethical decision-making while letting AI handle technical aspects. Specialties like family medicine and pediatrics will continue to thrive, emphasizing the irreplaceable human touch in healthcare. AI will transform healthcare, not by replacing doctors, but by augmenting their abilities. It's not about man versus machine. It's about collaboration for better patient outcomes. If this vision excites you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology. Together, let's shape a better tomorrow. The Industrial Revolution reshaped our world, just as the digital revolution is doing today. Each transformative era challenges humanity to adapt, innovate, and redefine its place in the world.